Hello.
Excuse me, what do you want to do?
I want to return the money.
Listen. You don't need to call him. See, this is a good amount of money. We can share this money together. Why do you want to?
No, yes.
Oh, it's his money, it's not mine. But we can share.
Yes, but just leave it at that.
You are begging, and you see a huge amount of money like this. You want to call the one? Are you okay? Can't you use your brain? Use number 6.
Sir, please, I beg you. I don't think God doesn't belong to me.
Don't worry. See, God help those who help themselves. This is the way God wants to help you. God wants to elevate you this way, and you want to call the owner.
No. Excuse me, sir. Sir, please.
Can you stop?
Sir, please.
You need to see how the building looks like. You trust what I can do now? That is a wonderful edifice. Trust me.
He's a rich man.
Sir, he's still here. I can't see him.
Listen to me. He's not there. See, that man is a rich man. He has money. So now you and I, you know, we don't have, you don't have, but I have small. But this one, this is dollars, hard currency. With this money, you see. Let me just give you two portion of this money.
Sir, please, I'm not interested, and this is a huge amount of money.
Because you're a beggar, your mind will always be shallow. You're not interested. I know, and you like the way you're sitting here every morning. People are coming past and dashing you small money.
No, I'm not interested. This money must be very important to that man. Please, we need to call that man. I can't take what doesn't belong to me.
Do you know that some of you will choose to remain in poverty? So you're not thinking big that one day God will help you. So why are you not begging if you don't need the money?
Let me call you back, Nzenze. This man. Hey. Where is the money? Let me.
If you call this man and see, look, I will change it for you. It's because I'm a big boss. Sit down.
Sir, please, this money is not...
It's okay now. Can't say I want.
Sir, please, this money is not yours.
Okay, I will return the money to you. She's done that, right?
Sir, give me. I will return it myself. I was the one that saw it.
Don't worry. You saw it and I will return the money to him, yeah?
That's my money. Why is that man? What is he telling that lady?
I will return the money to you.
Sir, please, the money is not yours.
I will return the money to you.
Sir, please, the money is not yours.
Stop.
Sir, please give me that money. It's not yours.
Listen, I will dash you small money.
I'm not interested. That money is not yours, sir. Please.
I will dash you small money.
No.
Stop it.
Sorry, excuse me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I am looking for my money. Did you see any money fall off here?
Money now?
Yes.
No.
I think while I passed, I misplaced my money. I can't find it. I already searched my car. It's not there.
Oh, actually, she's my sister. She normally stay here and beg. And it's not been long that we came out here, so we didn't see any money.
Oh, really?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Do you want to tell me something?
Sir,
No,
please,
sir. She doesn't want to tell anything. No, she likes begging, and I'm trying to coordinate her manner of begging. It's not everywhere that you see you start begging.
Excuse me,
what
sir.
makes you think that he can help you?
When you were passing here, I think you were about to bring something out from your pocket and the money fell somewhere here. And when I wanted to pick the money to call your attention, and he started dragging the money with me. And he convinced me so that we could share the money. But I told him that I'm not interested. I don't take what doesn't belong to me.
Look at this beggar.
Can I see the money?
Sir, don't mind which money. Sir, don't mind that. Look at, there's no money here.
He hid it somewhere. Sir, look at it.
No money.
Sir,
there's no money.
Can I see the money?
Look at your money.
What?
Look at your money.
Was there any money there? Okay. I didn't even know. Okay, sir. Yes, the money fell down.
Will you say, hey, shut up? The money fell where?
The money.
Excuse me. I came back here peacefully and I asked the both of you if you people saw my money while I passed, and you said no.
You know, he did not mention the type of money you were looking for. So this one now.
My friend, look at how you're dressed. One will think that you're one holy saint. Even though the country is not moving well as it's supposed to, is that why you want to keep what does not belong to you? Do you know what this money would have cost me? And even the lady, you saw her condition. and you're trying to convince her to take what's not hers.
You know, she's a beggar actually, so I was
Even
trying
at
to
that,
advise her.
you're trying to
advising
claim
her.
she's your sister?
No, I'm trying to advise her.
Is this man your brother?
No, I don't know him from anywhere. He started claiming relationship because of your money. I don't know him, I don't know him.
Okay. I am so ashamed
Chairman,
of you. I don't even know what to tell you.
Chairman, it's normal thing. You know, picking somebody's money.
Thank you. I already have my money. You can now go.
So nothing.
Can you go?
So find me something. I was actually the one that secured the money.
Please go. My dear, if he does not want to go, let's leave. Bring the sister. I want to talk with you. I wonder what this country is doing. Anyways, my dear, thank you so much for returning back this money.
Sir, it's not my money. I know that the money must be very important to you.
Very.
I don't take what
I
I
brought this money. I brought this money out because I wanted to change it to our local currency so that I could continue with my project over there. I'm the one that is building the new estate over there.
Wow.
Yeah. So, anyways,
Nice to meet you, sir.
my name is Chifumego, and I'm a philanthropist. And for you doing this,
Chifumego.
yes,
Are you that Chifumego I normally hear about?
exactly.
Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
It's all right. I will bless your life. I don't want to ever see you begging on this road again. People like you deserve a national award. I mean, the president needs to honor you. Because no one in her right senses would see this money in this situation of this country and would not want to take it. Do you know what? I don't know if you would like to come with me.
I should come with you.
I don't care if you went to school or not. I'm going to make you my site manager over there. So you look after my site, and then I'll be paying you every month. I'll give you 500,000 naira.
Jesus. So you mean you want to employ me as your site manager?
I will. Let's get this. Let's go.
Jesus. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Oh, God bless you, sir.
And you can keep this one to yourself.
All this money.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You need to keep paying.
Thank you so much.
This
God
will be
bless
a
you,
lesson
sir.
to you
Thank
and
you.
to everyone out there.
Thank you so
Never
much, sir.
take what does not belong to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Because
you.
what you don't know is bigger than you.
Jesus.
Let us go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I'll stop begging from today.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.